So this is my first unboxing video. Alright, so this is a package that I just received from China through FedEx, and of course in most unboxing videos is all about a lot of it about gadgets, toys, home appliances and so on. This is all about my passion, correct? As an engineer, as a maker, I like to build stuff. So I decided that from now on, whenever I'm going to build stuff, I'm going to create videos and share the experience with you. So let's open it up and see what we have here. Alright, so quite a good packaging since it arrived from China. Alright, okay, so I managed to tear it open. Alright, let me put that aside, the papers aside. Yes, so here you have it. This is the Seeed Studio. Alright, so we're having a new partnership with Seeed Studio, okay, HCT and Seeed Studio, to incorporate their technology into our programs. Alright, so let's open up this box and see what we have. Okay, so where's the... Okay, so here we have this. Wow, the packaging is really good. Really good. Let's see what we have. Alright. Okay, so let me keep the box aside. Okay, so firstly, we have this. Where is my... Okay. Alright, the Seeed Studio Xiao S3 pack. Alright, times 3. So this is the Seeed Studio, alright, Xiao ESP32 microcontrollers that we have purchased, and we are going to use them for a wide range of projects, and you'll see more videos of that soon, correct? This is the the I2C motor driver board, alright, over here, alright, and finally the cables, alright, the cables, alright, and yes, we have one more here, the expansion base board. Alright, so these are the 4 items I have currently, alright, from my purchase at the Seeed Studio. Alright, so look forward to my next video where we will go into these components and how we're going to use them to build up something really exciting. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.